just to summarize, we are designing a unit of work which is around engaging students in creating an interactive map for the city council, for the local city council. What makes the activity good is, first of all, it has an assignment or project which is oriented towards audience, as opposed to just not having an audience, which is not possible. That doesn't happen in real life. It only happens in schools. And also what we're trying to do is to create activities that understand that students are historical beings. And that means that they have particular um, processes in place that worked for them until now, and through which, or in relation to which, they assess what happens out there or around them. So now what we have to do is create situations that they expand those frames of reference, because unless they expand them, they will be continuously reading the English world through, let's call it just, let's use a shortcut, through the Cambodian, through the Polish, through the Sudanese networks, right? So we don't want them to be Sudanese in English, because then they actually will not be comprehensible and they will not be happy. People need to achieve a level of cognitive engagement with in a target language culture that is appropriate or equal to the level of engagement in their native language. Okay, so when we actually want that, when we recognize that students are social beings and they are actually they have they read situations through their historically formed, individual, socially formed, and yet with an individual slant frames of reference, we need this expansion. So I have actually produced this what and why and how in order to give our lessons a focus, right? So each lesson will be divided into 3 different aspects. It will give it an order, and it will also train students to actually learn how to think about looking for information when they engage in projects. Today they are well supported, but in the future, when they go to higher levels, they will actually have this routine automatized.